Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Today we're going to be rotating my wife's 2019 Jeep Renegade. They're pretty much the same as rotating any other car. The only difference is you got to find the right jack point, okay? Each car has a different point where you can lift the vehicle. Take my Volkswagen for instance. There's one jack point in the back that lifts the whole car up because the car is light. You do, let's say a Jeep Wrangler, you gotta lift up the front and lift up the back. It's a little bit different. This one's got, I believe, a jack point somewhere around the front and actually will lift up both the front and back. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, alright? Remember guys to always like, comment, subscribe. That little bell for upcoming notifications, and make sure you check out my new merch. Got a link down below. Got some hats, beanies, shirts, sweatshirts, masks. Interested in those? Got a bunch of cool stuff. Alright guys, let's take a look. Alright guys, so good jack point that will actually allow you to lift the whole car up. It's right behind the front wheel. You see that little bolt right there? Lift right at that bolt, swim around in there, you will get both wheels off. You will have to jack up the car a fair amount, but you will get front and back wheel off, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and loosen up these lug nuts, okay? And today I'm actually going to be rotating the tires front to back, okay? You can do front to back, side to side, however you want to do it. Since this is a car that only has 15,000 on it now, I'm just going to go front to back. Next time I will go left to right. All right. So first we're going to loosen the lug nuts up. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and continue that rotation. This was the back tire, now it is going to be the front tire. So the stock lug nuts, okay, are 11/16, okay? These are now 3/4 inch. Just make sure you remember that when you rotate the tires, you're gonna have a flat tire or whatever. So we're just gonna snug this down and that's where I put it on the ground and then tighten it all the way. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put that tire rotation back on. Let's go put that last tire back on, I should say. So, now we've done the front to back swap, with the tires back on the ground, and your final torque that's Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got that tire rotation done. Like I said at the beginning, it's pretty much like any other car. Only difference is you got to find that good jack point, okay? And in the video, like I pointed out, the best point is right behind the front wheel. That will allow you to get both front and back wheel on the same side off the ground, okay? If you're gonna rotate from front to back, or excuse me, side to side, there's another jack point that you're gonna need to do. Once you get it lifted off the air, you gotta put some jacks up underneath the back frame, okay? Really simple to do. I know I didn't show it today. I'll probably show it on another video. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me on another episode. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Much appreciated, guys, and see you on the next one. Okay, guys, it's built, not bought.